Hello, this is Vic Nagy from Mississauga, Ontario. We can be found at www.torontopainters.org. You can reach me at 416-568-3547. And today I'm going to show you how we repair damaged drywall on stucco ceilings. When the homeowner noticed that there was a brown streak on the ceiling caused by a water leak from above, possibly an overflow toilet, I am briefly going to talk to you about how I repaired a water damage on a stucco ceiling. We scraped away and removed the old tape, which was loose, and cleaned up the area around the tape, feathering it to the existing stucco. We made a mixture of Sheetrock 90, which is a dry powder. We mixed it in with some water, and this will set in about 90 minutes, so you have ample amount of time to do the work. We measured the length of the drywall tape needed to cover the missing section. We filled in the spot the original drywall tape was in with Sheetrock 90. We then inserted the drywall tape back into position. With your finger, push the tape firmly into position. Then we started smoothing out or squeezing out the mixture, making it flat to the drywall from under the tape, making it flush. With a little extra sheetrock on your putty knife, apply the compound evenly and smoothly across the tape, making sure not to tear the tape.